Hey guys. So happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to everyone. So if it's the first time on my channel, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment. So Amazon is one of the ways that I make money. So Amazon brings me in about six figures a year. And I love it, right? Because Amazon, all you're basically doing is the middleman, right? To get paid. Now, some people, can't wrap their mind around understanding how that you're the middleman, to get paid. So, think of how, the restaurants are set up. Think about how, the businesses, any business, is set up. So think about a Walmart. Walmart is the middleman between the buyer and the seller. Okay, that's all Walmart is. Walmart goes to a supplier and get their products for cheap, and then they mark it up, and then you go to the store and you buy it for that price. Now, you're not going to say to Walmart, oh, I'm not going to pay, $80 for or $50, for this tablecloth. You're not going to say that to Walmart, right? You're going to pay $50 for it. You're not going to say, oh, let me go find this cheaper. Because here's the thing about Walmart, people go to Walmart to get the discounts. People think that Walmart is the cheapest place to go to get cheap junk from, right? So people are going to Walmart all the time looking for deals. So when people go to Walmart and see a tablecloth, for $50 and they probably saw it somewhere else for $200, they think they're getting a deal. But remember, Walmart is also getting it from cheaper from somewhere. Okay, from somewhere, Walmart is getting this cheaper, guys. Okay, so same thing with you. Same thing that I do on Amazon. I do FBA and I do drop shipping. So with the FBA, all FBA is I have to send the products in. So if I had 200 tablecloths, I would send the 200 tablecloths in. Say I got the tablecloths for $20. I would send them into Amazon and I would mark them up to $50. That's it. And then sell them on Amazon. The customers on Amazon will pay $50. They're not going to go looking somewhere else, right? So this is how I make profit. Amazon ships everything for me and I just cash a check. Now, when I do drop shipping, I use something called Ebates because Ebates also gives me cash back. So I did a recent transaction from eBay and Amazon. So these are what I got back. So I got 55 cents, $1.24, and $1.45. Some people may say, oh, that's not a lot of money, but these add up. Can you see this right here? My next check is $115, and that's from cash back, right? So all I'm doing with the Amazon drop shipping is I'm the middleman. I'm Walmart. I'm going to a supplier, okay, and I'm getting it for cheap. And then I'm marking it up in my store for a higher price. And my customer pay it. Amazon takes their fees and I get the rest. So I'm going to show you guys how this actually works. So here goes a customer. They just ordered something from me during Christmas. Let me see. They just ordered something from me during Christmas time. Okay, so $29.50. Okay, so $25, okay, is what I can be able to now get my product for. So I'm going to go over here. Okay, go over here. This is $12. You guys can see this. This is $12.48. So I'm going to minus. I'm going to minus $12.48. So my profit here is $12.59. I sell 10 of these a day. That's $125 a day. And it only takes me 5 seconds to ship this stuff. Okay, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So it takes me literally a minute, guys, to make $125. I remember when I had a job. I literally had to work 8 to 10 hours, guys, just to make $100. Right? See, I can do Amazon forever. All right, Amazon, I can do Amazon forever. Okay. So when I do the 1248, I'm getting 5% cash back in my Ebates. Plus eBay is giving me 8 cents back. So see, all of this adds up, right? So for some people may say, oh, this don't make sense. Oh, it does make sense. All of this adds up, guys. I've been doing Amazon for 2 years, made over 6 figures from home. I'm sitting right now on my couch while people are at their jobs, living on a wish and a prayer, hoping for a raise, hoping for better things to happen, guys. I'm showing you a skill set. I have 250 students in my Amazon class right now. I have 250 students in my Amazon class right now, right? The average person is making $100 a day. Another, average is $1,000 a month. Okay, from home, guys. You can do this until Amazon wheels fall off. See, here's the thing. In the new age of living, okay, the people that stay abreast of the new way to make money are the ones who will win. The ones that don't are the ones who lose. The ones who think that their jobs are secure, their 401ks are secure, their social security is secure, those are the people that lose. Right? But those who keep educating themselves, keep investing to educate themselves, keep educating themselves to win and go and grow are the ones who win. Right? Everybody else, they just continue to die. Right? So at this point, you can get 66% off, right? Which is $500 for my Amazon class. In January is going back to $1,500. Okay, back to $1,500. Now, right now, it's 500, and you get a 30-minute strategy coaching call so that you can get started the right way. When it goes to 1,500, then we will be meeting. Okay, we will be meeting at least 3 to 4 times in 30 days. Plus, I'm going to be giving you the whole breakdown of Amazon. And the reason that I'm raising the price, right, because I really want people to win, right? I really want people to win. Most of my Amazon mastermind students that are in my mastermind that paid me over 1,000, that paid me over 2,000 are winning. Okay, so I said, you know what? I want everybody to win, right? But if you think 1,500 is too much for you and your family to learn a lifetime skill, then guess what? You're gonna keep listening to your boss, keep watching and hoping and wishing for a raise. That's how it works, right? So at the end of the day, guys, right? I'm sitting here on my couch, relaxing, got me some coffee. For everybody at work, I literally make $100 in 60 seconds. Plus, cash back. Plus eBay giving me, some cash back. And plus this is one income stream. I sell tea, right? Also do credit for people, right? And then when you do the 1,500, you also will get inside my credit program. You also will get inside of my credit program, okay? Show you how to fix your credit. I'm doing my sales pages and all that stuff all over now. All right. So at the end of the day, guys, if you don't learn something new and you saying 2018 is going to be yours, 2019 is going to be yours, guys, you got to start today. And today is the day. Today is the day, guys, to get started doing and learning something new. Okay. So go to createmyown.economy.com. If you haven't downloaded my ebook, go to my Instagram at Coach Tanisha Marie and download my ebook. Read it, understand how you need to get involved with something that can change your life, guys. Happy holidays.